Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FB Facebook. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a nice day here for Facebook. Yesterday was a crazy day in the sense of big gap up, price came down. So it was a very real question of, was this movement here? Was this the beginning of the end? Are the wheels really about to fall off? And no, price got the gap up. Now, sure, it did pull back a little bit from the highs. But again, relatively speaking, from how things were looking on Monday to how they behaved today, nice movement here. And also a couple of very interesting levels have made themselves apparent here from the trading standpoint. And the first level here that a lot of people are going to be watching is that 269.50 mark. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see price bounced from it there, bounced from it there. So by no means am I saying this is a guarantee, but my point here is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price were to come down in there and then break down below that level, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, a guarantee, absolutely not. A rational thought, a valid thought, yeah, absolutely. So keep a very close eye on the 269.50 mark. If that level cannot quite hold up, then yeah, it wouldn't be shocking, at least in my opinion, to see the price go down to the 266 level, which is that green line right there, that next level of support. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe the price just decides it wants to work its way back upwards. So the other area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, especially those breakout players, is going to be right here at the 274 mark. I mean, you look at time after time today, the price tried to get up through that level, couldn't quite do it. So again, this is not a guarantee, but a more than valid thought to have that if the price works its way up there, gets the break of that level, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So keep your eye on those couple of technical levels going forward, and those will be the areas that, I think that most people will be watching. And again, when a lot of people are watching those same levels and wondering the same thing, they can definitely produce some very nice price movements, and we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.